Hey guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we're doing something a little different. I haven't put makeup on it in a long time, so I have a makeup look. It's hidden under these glasses, so this way you can watch the video and see what look I have under here. But before we get started, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of my videos or vlogs or anything that I have going on, because right now I'm stuck at home and who knows what I'm going to be doing. Now, if you haven't checked me out on my TikTok, I started a TikTok. I think everybody has, since we're all stuck at home. But I have some, I'm a big prankster, so go ahead and check out my TikTok and my Instagram. And the information, the links for all those as well will be in my description below. All right, guys, without further delay, let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. Now that I finally have my face on, we're going to go ahead and get started with the exciting part, of course, is the eyes. Get into my boxycharm Hello Charmers palette from boxycharm, and we're going to go into spoiler. So spoiler is going to be used as like a transition shade. It's very close to my skin color, so I'm going to go ahead and use it all over my eyelid, up to my eyebrow, and I'm even going to bring it down. And we're going to go ahead and blend it all together. This is going to be a great transition shade. I tend to reach for this shade all the time. I really love this palette. Now, next, we're going to go ahead and get into unboxing. This is a darker, deeper, like rusty burgundy shade. I'm going to go ahead and put that under my brow bone. I don't want to go any higher than my brow bone, because I'm going to apply another color on top and I don't want it to blend. Now, next in my Morphe palette, I'm reaching for this like yellowish green, and that's what's going to be on my brow bone. Now, because this is a lighter color than the burgundy shade, this is the reason why I did it in reverse and I applied it second, even though it is above the brow bone. Because normally I would start with that color and then work my way down. I'm going to bring that green color down under my eye, and then I'm going to go ahead and touch up the darker color. This way it doesn't look muddy and they blend nicely together. Now I'm going to go ahead and reach for this purple color in my Morphe palette, and this is just going to go deep in the crease of the eye. You can see me putting a little bit of pressure there just because I want to make sure it goes deep in there. I don't want to take it high, because this is just going to get that deep dark dimension when I apply my next color on the lid. Now we're going to start with the cut crease, and I always just use any random concealer that's running out, because I don't like to waste anything, and that's how I start my cut crease. And then I'm applying full size. This is going back into the Hello Charmers palette. Now I started it with it, and then I decided, you know what, it just was not going to work out. I didn't like the way I was applying for this particular look I wanted, so I went back in and grabbed Charmer. It's more of a blue, and I'm sure glad I did, because it really made the look and made my eyes pop. Now I'm going back and touching up some of that purple to blend the two shades back together, just to get that dimension that I'm looking for. And then I decided to pull it in on the end of my eyes and just add a little bit more to kind of smoke it out right there. And now I'm reaching for my Hank & Henry eyeliner. This is my favorite go-to liner. I will never use anything else. I love this liner. It glides on so smoothly. It's not as dark as I would like, but hey, once you apply it in your lashes, it looks beautiful. Now I'm going to go ahead and add, of course, we need some highlight. And then I found these beautiful wispy lashes that I just love. Okay guys, so that's my look. I hope you like it. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to my channel. This way you're notified whenever I do post a video. And welcome to my family if you are new. All right, guys, as always, I love you, and I'll see you in the comments below or my next video, whichever comes next. Have a blessed day.